Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Defy, and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the security. Now let's tap on fingerprint, and here this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint. If you do not have the screen lock currently set, then you will have to do it right now. It is important, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device using the pattern pen or password, and whatever option you will pick, without the need to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So let me pick the pattern, just tap on the option like to use, and let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it, and confirm. Here we have to decide what kind of notification content will be shown on the display, so you can show all the notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's up to you. I will pick the second option and tap on done. Here we've got the info about unlocking your device with the fingerprint. What's more, you can authorize the purchases or sign into apps, so just tap on setup. And here we've got the animation, which will show us where we have to localize the sensor, which is on the back of our device right here on this M logo. So let me put my finger on it. And as you can see right now, I have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner for better recognition. And as you can see, the fingerprint has been added successfully. It's quite easy and fast in this device, so you can add another if you want to. If not, just tap on done. And here we've got our fingerprint. We can remove it just by tapping on this trash bin icon, or rename it. So let me rename it, tap on OK. You can add another fingerprint if you want to, probably up to 5. Alright, so let's lock the device and let me try to unlock it. Let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your MOTOROLA Defy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.